And now for the juice one. Okay, so this one's the one that actually really saves time because in the morning you're tired and grumpy and you don't want to wake up. So I use a big gallon one. And I guess you wouldn't have to do this if you just bought the bags of the spinach because that's about how much you should be doing a juice. But these ones are super cheap from Costco, so about 2 big handfuls. And then I do a handful of kale. Again, not as much as the spinach because it's just bitter, not really that good tasting, but with everything else you don't notice it. So then I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my apple. I like to buy smaller apples because then you don't have to cut them. This one's left over from my juice I just did, so I'm gonna throw that in there. And also the cucumber and the half the lime. And if you were gonna put anything else in there, you could obviously put it in too. Usually these work better if you just put it in the fridge. If you freeze it, when you thaw it out, it's real juicy and mushy and gross. But you can still juice it and it comes out tasting the same. It's just more of an ick factor that it looks gross after it's frozen. It'll be way more limper and wet and soggy, which is gross. But it tastes the same, and I'm assuming it does the same stuff. But I usually just keep these in the fridge, and then in the mornings you just grab a bag out and plop it in the juicer, and it makes it a lot easier.